If you're new to crypto, one of the first questions that comes up is this: what's the difference between Bitcoin and XRP? At first glance, they might look similar. Both are digital assets, both use blockchain technology, and both exist outside of traditional banking systems. But once you dig in, you realize they're actually designed for very different purposes. Let's break it down. Bitcoin was launched in 2009 as the first cryptocurrency. It was built to be a decentralized alternative to fiat money. No middlemen, no banks, just peer-to-peer digital cash. Bitcoin is stored and verified on a blockchain network powered by something called proof of work. That means computers, called miners, compete to solve complex math problems. When they solve one, they add a block of transactions to the blockchain and get rewarded with new Bitcoin. This process is secure, but it's also slow and energy-intensive. Bitcoin can handle around 7 transactions per second. That's incredibly limited compared to modern needs. Now enter XRP. XRP is a digital currency created by Ripple Labs to solve a completely different problem: moving money across borders, fast. While Bitcoin is a store of value, XRP is all about transferability and speed. It was designed for banks, financial institutions, and payment providers to move money globally with almost zero friction. Instead of proof of work, XRP uses a consensus protocol. There's no mining involved. It's fast, efficient, scalable. XRP handles around 1,500 transactions per second, and they settle in 3 to 5 seconds. That makes it one of the fastest digital assets on the planet. Now let's talk cost. Bitcoin transactions can get expensive when the network is congested. Sometimes you pay $10, $20, even more just to send a few bucks. With XRP, the average transaction cost is a fraction of a penny. So let's sum it up. Bitcoin is digital gold. It's decentralized, slow, and designed to be a hedge against inflation and government manipulation. It's a long-term store of value. XRP is a utility coin built for speed, efficiency, and real-world payments. It's not trying to replace fiat, it's trying to connect it, and it's already being used by financial giants around the world. But nothing is perfect. Bitcoin's strength is its decentralization, but its mining process burns massive amounts of energy and limits scalability. XRP's speed is unmatched, but it's often misunderstood because of its ties to Ripple Labs and the legal drama with the SEC. The good news? The SEC case is finally leaning toward clarity, and XRP is coming back into the spotlight. Which one is better? That depends on what you want. If you're looking for a long-term hedge, Bitcoin might be your pick. If you're looking for real-world use, speed, and adoption, XRP deserves your full attention. But here's the bottom line: this space is moving fast, and if you're still on the sidelines, wondering what to do, you could be left behind. There's an ebook linked below that explains why now is the time to get educated on XRP. Not tomorrow, not next year, now. The people who win in this space aren't always the smartest. They're the ones who act first. Take the time to learn, understand, position yourself before the next wave hits. Because financial freedom doesn't wait, and neither should you. If you got value from this video, please give it a like. It helps get the word out to others and boosts the algorithm more than you know. Subscribe now, and we will see you on the next video.